Hi, I am from Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll learn exactly how to embed Google Maps in a PDF file so you can easily share interactive location links right inside your documents. It's simple, fast, and works perfectly for reports, guides, or directions. Now, let's get started. Step 1, get the shareable link from Google Maps. Open Google Maps in your browser, search for the location you want, and click the Share button. Copy the link provided under the Send a Link section. This will be the clickable map link you'll add to your PDF. Step 2, open your PDF in an editor like Adobe Acrobat or Google Docs. You can use any tool that supports adding links or buttons. This step lets you prepare the document area where your map link will appear. Step 3, use a link or button tool to select the text or area you want to make clickable. In Adobe Acrobat, you can choose the link or add button option, while in Google Docs, simply highlight the text you want, link then tap on 3 dots and select Insert Link. Step 4, paste the Google Maps URL into the link or button properties. This connects your selected text or button directly to the Google Maps location you copied earlier. When clicked, it will open the map automatically in a web browser. Step 5, tap on 3 dots and select Share and Export, then select Save As. Then, from the printing menu, select Save as PDF. Once saved, your embedded Google Maps link will remain clickable and ready to share. Anyone who opens the PDF can now access the location instantly with a single click. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more quick and useful tech tutorials.